Okay. Hamburger. Oh, excuse me. A hamburger? What do you want on it?
Everything.
Albert, I hear you. Everything, so that would be cheese,
Yes.
onions,
Yes.
uh,
Yes.
yes,
Yes.
mustard,
Yes.
ketchup,
Yes.
pickle.
Yes.
Oh, I'm out of here. I'm on my way to Jack's right now.
Hooray.
Okay, hooray. You want a Coke?
Oh yeah.
All right. Do you want the large size?
Yeah.
Okay, well, you got it, pal. You got it. Large Coke. How about fries?
Oh yeah.
You want one of those apple pies?
Yeah.
Okay, an apple pie. Anything else?
Oh yeah.
What?
Oh.
Chocolate chip cookie?
Yeah.
Now, those I usually get at Subway. Or do you want me to make it myself?
Yeah.
Okay. Or, you really like the Great American Chocolate Chip Cookie Factory? I remember getting a lot of your birthday, quote, cakes. You just wanted a big cookie.
Yeah.
Okay, well, special order. You got it.
All right.
All right.